Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 suddenly showing offline even though it's sitting right there, turned on, and connected to a device? Why not, guys? It happens to a lot of people, and you don't need to be a tech expert to fix it. Some simple checks on Wi Fi or doing a settings change and fix the issue in no time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, so you can get your printer back online and working like normal in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First up, make sure your printer is on. Then head over to Control Panel and just swipe down the top bar. Now, in the top left corner, tap on Settings icon. After that, go ahead and select Network Setup. Right, now scroll down a bit and tap Restore Network Settings. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Just tap Yes to continue. And that's it. The printer will start restoring the network settings automatically. Once it's done, you'll notice the blue light starts blinking. That means the network reset is complete. Okay, now that the network reset is out of the way, let's connect your printer to your Wi-Fi. Make sure the printer is fully powered on and then go to Touchscreen panel and scroll down the top bar again. Tap on the settings icon once more. From here, choose Network Setup. Next, tap on Wireless Settings. After that, the Wireless Setup wizard. You'll get a prompt asking to proceed. Just tap Yes. Now, your printer will start scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks, so give it a moment. When a list pops up, tap on the Wi-Fi network you want to connect. Then, use the touch keypad to type in your Wi-Fi password. Once you've entered correctly, tap on OK. And you're done. You'll see a confirmation screen and the blue light will stay solid, no more blinking, which means your printer is connected and online.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.